Hi guys, welcome back. If it's your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Bethel and the channel is Kiza, just about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, just random stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this set of shoes. They came from Vocosi. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm not, then this is the brand. It's a really nice brand. So they reached out to me, send me a brand deal, and they were like, "You want to send me some shoes to wear them and review?" And I'm like, I was skeptical at first, and I was like, okay, let me just try out the shoes and see what it look like. So if you've been following my channel, you're going to realize that I've been unboxing like boots and safety shoes and like work shoes. But this company was so nice to be like, okay, you're going to look nice in like heels. So they sent me heels to unbox for you guys and review for you guys. But the thing is, I forgot they sent me heels, so I opened them at home. By the way, I'm not even home, I'm in Miami, so that's why the background looks different and it's my hotel room is scattered for now. But I had to show this video because I'm about to go to a dinner and these shoes would be the perfect shoes for that dinner. I've digressed like 5 times already, but anywho, they sent me these shoes. They came in very pink, nice wrap, and I forgot the shoes came. So I was wondering who sent me shoes, because I was like, I was wondering where the shoes came from, because I got the package notification. I wasn't even home, so I was like, I'm not expecting anything today. So I went home and then I opened it, and I thought one of my friends had sent it to me. I was literally so excited for these shoes. These shoes are the most beautiful heels I've ever owned. I'm not even exaggerating at this point. These shoes are like really nice, and when I tried them on, they were so comfy. So let's forget I said all that, and because I closed it after I realized it was the brand Vocosi that sent it to me. So I was like, let me close it and not open it again till it's time to unbox this video for this video. So it's been closed since, and I kind of have forgotten what it looks like. So let's pretend I haven't unboxed it, and I'm going to start unboxing it. So this is it came in a pink, shipping wrap kind of thing. Then it came in this box, and then when you open it, it has like this extra packaging inside, which is, I think, bougie, top notch. And then it comes in each individual case, and then inside here it's this, to be honest, I don't do heels, so I don't know what this is, but I feel like it's an anti-slip thing. So you put it on the shoe so that it doesn't slip off. I'm guessing that's what that is. So now let's look at the actual shoes. Drum rolls. Okay, that was awful, but sorry, but why do I always scream like that when I see shoes? I feel like I have this weird obsession with shoes. But no, first of all, let's talk about the color. The fact that brown is or tan, or this is tan, I think. Yeah, tan or brown, or basically this natural color is my go-to color right now, bro. I absolutely love this. Let's talk about the gemerizing tint on it next. Like, it's block heels, so it's perfect. It's flat. It's not too high. I think it's about 4 inches. These shoes are perfect, and this is just one of the many shoes on their website. Like, they have a lot of shoes. They sent me this group of shoes to choose from, and I was so confused. So I just chose this one because it's different from what I have in my closet. So I'm like, why not try something new for this time? They have nice shoes. They have boots. There was this particular shoes they had that looks like every other shoe I've unboxed. It was boots, and I was going to go for that one, but I'm like, no, I'll just go for this one. If you guys want any kind of shoes, they have nice shoes on that website. As a matter of fact, I have a discount code for y'all. Yay, I'm getting discount codes now. Bro, I'm an influencer. I'm getting discount codes now. But anywho, my discount code is going to be in the description, but it's going to be Kizaj9 to my YouTube channel name 10. Sorry, Kizaj 10, not 9. Yeah, and it's going to be in the description, just in case I'm saying rubbish. Just go check the description box for the shoes. But like I said, I'm going for a dinner right now with my friends, so I'm going to wear these shoes. I'm going to have them rate it, so that it's not just my view you're getting, you're also getting their view. Because these girls I'm going out with, they're like girly girls. They like do girly stuff, and they dress see all the time, so they're going to know like what good shoes are. So if they rate these like high ratings, that means this shoes are actually good. But these shoes already look good, so I don't see why I don't get high ratings. So this is the unboxing part of the video. I'm just going to try them on to see what they look like. By the way, my toenails look awful. Just pretend you're not seeing it. Oh, I forgot to explain why my eyebrows look like this, because I'm sure you guys watching this video be wondering why her eyebrows looking like that. Well, it's because I got my eyebrows microbladed, which I'm going to talk about in a different vlog. But I got my eyebrows microbladed, and it's in the healing process right now, and that's why you can see this scab stain. So when it's done, it's supposed to look like that. And now I have eyebrows. Like, after 22 years of living on earth, I finally have eyebrows. So you guys go watch that vlog. That's if I do post it, because I had a plan to do like this whole this whole makeover vlog where I do my lashes, do my brows, do my hair, do my makeup. I don't know how it's going to go. Maybe like dress up, but so far I've already done the microblading. I still have my hair and my makeup appointment, so that vlog is going to be coming up or not, expect it or not. But basically I'm just telling you that I'm shooting the vlog if you want to know more about my eyebrows. But let me guys know what you think about microblading. Have you microbladed before or no? I'm just stalling so that I can put on the shoes for you guys to see. Oh, by the way, I'm also going to take you guys on dinner with me. So let's talk about my outfit. The tops from Ross, the bottoms from Fashion Nova. It was given to me by a friend actually, and they're both leather. Personally, it's not my vibe. I don't like shiny things, and black has been my best color, just not anymore. So this whole aesthetic is not mine, except for the shoes. I really love brown now. I don't know what happened to me, but I just went away from these dark colors. I feel like I was this emo girl before, but I went away from these dark colors, like pastel colors and natural colors now, and that's my whole mood and my whole vibe right now. So I'll just go ahead, put these shoes on and just see what it looks like. But I know it's cute because I wore it before. It's just for you guys to see what it looks like. And as usual, I'm about to stand on the couch. Okay, no, bad idea. Let me just okay, this is the outfit. See, I look like Black Widow, to be honest. Okay, while you guys are hitting, you guys have seen my shoes, right, Nero? All you raise my shoe.
Your shoe?
Yeah. Over 10. Ooh,
It's nice.
okay. Thank you, Jennifer.
It's really nice. 10.
Okay, let me, yeah. What will you rate my shoes?
11 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
It's good.
Fits.
10 out of 10.
What would you rate the shoe?
9.
9?
9 and a half.
9. Greedy child.
No, because I can.
Why are you blushing? It's just question. Okay guys, you guys heard it. So the discount code is in my bio. Make sure to go get it. Okay, so these shoes are like so comfortable. They're literally the most comfortable pair of heels I have. If I say I've ever owned, I feel like I'm exaggerating. But first of all, I ordered this in a size 7, and when I say it's an exact size 7, it feels like the shoes were cut out from my legs. So I always have this issue with heels where it's either like it's too loose or it's too tight when I order size 7. But this is like exactly size 7 and it fits perfectly, and it's comfy, mostly because of like the block heel. I think that's why it's comfy. So these particular shoes are like really comfy. Personally, I judge your website by like the first shoes I get from it. So I'm going to just assume every other shoe on that website is like really comfy. But I love this, the color, the fit, the comfiness, the bouginess, bro. Like just look. No, look at my leg. I'm looking like hot cake. Okay, that's all I have to say about shoes. They're really nice, comfy. I love them. 100 over 100. I hope you enjoy watching that video. If you guys want to get these shoes, like I said, I have a discount code in the description box for you guys. Let me know if you guys like let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like the shoes, if it's your vibe, or if you're gonna buy the shoes, or if you have questions on my eyebrows, if you want me to actually post that makeover vlog, let me know and I'll let you guys know in my next video. By the way, if you haven't liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Thanks and bye.